Hey folks, welcome back to the channel for another property tour. I'm going to show you some homes on these next series of videos, and unfortunately the reason why you're going to see this beginning so many times is because there was a oopsie with like some equipment failure. The microphone basically gave out on me. Didn't realize until after all the videos recorded, so I lost all of those intros and all those outros. So we're just going to use one for the beginning and one for the end on all of them, and just kind of roll with it. So as you know, my name is Chris, your local no BS realtor here in the greater Milwaukee metro area of Wisconsin. And my contact information is always in the description down below. You can call, text, email, or book an appointment directly on my calendar. So without further ado, let's get into these property tours and flip it. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed that tour that you just got a chance to see. As you know, the microphone failure, so that's why you're seeing this outro rather than the previous one that I had prior recorded for the particular property we were at. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.